10W triple-coil wireless charging stand with 4-foot USB 2.0 to C cable, power adapter not included. High-speed charging. Optimized chipset provides 10W high-speed charging on LG, Samsung phones and 7.5W charging on iPhones. Type-C charging port supports both QC, PD charge. Compatibility. Compatible with LG G7, V30, V35, V40, Samsung Note 10 Pro, Note 10, S9, S9 Plus, Note 9, Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S10, S10 Plus, S10e, iPhone 13, Pro, Pro Max, 12, Mini, Pro, iPhone 11 11s Pro, XS Max, XS, XR, by 8/8 Plus, Apple AirPods and AirPods Pro, with wireless charging case, and most Qi-enabled devices not compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, AC adapter not included. LED indicator. LED indicator lights display charging status of your device day or night. Gentle light won't disturb sleep. Case compatible. Transmits power through most protective cases. Rubber, plastic, TPU cases under 5 mm thickness. Not compatible with metal. Charge vertically or horizontally. For faster charging with iPhone 12 13s. Remove all cases before charging. Safety features. Qi certified intelligent protection technology safety features including over temperature, voltage and current protection, as well as foreign object detection. Type-C port. Designed with a Type-C charging port that supports both QC, PD charge allowing high-speed charging. Choose your angle. Charge vertically for messaging and easy facial recognition or horizontally for watching videos. In the box. 10W triple-coil wireless charging stand, 4-foot USB 2.0 to C cable and welcome guide, power adapter not included. Top reviews from the United States. Works great, but love how quickly my phone charges, but the main reason I bought this style was to have a clock next to my bed. Unfortunately, the charging light goes slowly on-off and is quite bright, making it annoying to have in a dark bedroom at night.